What's up, team Fullest? This is again AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm here to do a very simple protective hairstyle on my daughter. As you guys can see, her hair is pretty long. I stretched the hair out a little bit. I had it in a bigger twist. Whenever I wash her hair, I have the hair in a twist so I can stretch it out so that it's easy to braid. Today she was not feeling it. Sometimes she's just 2 years old. She's going to be 3 years next week, and sometimes she does feel like sitting down for me to do her hair. You will give her her tablet and she'll be in a good mood, but today she wasn't in a good mood. You guys will see later on in the video. She was getting annoying. She didn't want her to sit down anymore, so she was a little bit like crying. She didn't want to, but I kind of talked to her and take some break, and I finished it. This is the reason why I don't like to do like little hairstyle that takes forever. You know, sometimes she does have a lot of hair. I really like to do a beautiful hairstyle, but because she's a child, she don't have the energy and the patience to sit down for that long. So I try to do easy protective hairstyle, and also it's very easy for me if I want to wash the hair or do any deep conditioner and any kind of other stuff. It's very easy. So yeah, I'm just going to part the hair into four, and I'm just gonna have like really big braids. You guys are gonna see the braids. At first she was very happy, she wanted to do the hair, but later on she was like, no, I don't want it anymore, but I have to do the hair because when I leave the hair like this for her to go to the daycare, when she comes back home, a lot of sand will be in the head. But like this, I also kind of help protect the hair, and it's also very cold outside, so it's easy for me to do a quick protective hairstyle and do an easy braid. And I can also use my hair oil to oil the hair, and I can also use my rosemary water to kind of spray the hair. That is what I have been doing on her hair all this week. And it's been really helping. Her hair is very strong, very shiny, very healthy. I'm thinking of doing trim. I trimmed the hair a couple of months ago, but I'm thinking of doing one, even though the ends looks kind of okay, because I make sure whenever I am putting product in the hair, I focus on the ends, because that is the older part of the hair. I try to focus on the ends, but the ends need a little bit of trimming. Maybe I will do that after taking out this protective hairstyle, and when I'm about to wash the hair, I'll try and do the trim the ends a little bit. But the hair is really nice. It's really long. I do a lot of DIY just to make sure yeah, just to keep the hair healthy. Use a lot of natural hair product. It's very tricky to do kids hair. There's a reason why I don't really like to do other kids hair except my kids, because it's very annoying to do other kids hair. If for example I'm with my brother's wife, her auntie, I would just say, go to your auntie, let your auntie do your hair, because I really do not have the patience of when the kids are crying and doing the hair. So reason why I always like to make simple hairstyle. This is the reason why I don't do other kids hair except my children. If I'm doing any person's child, it has to be a little bit older, but I'm not doing kids hair because I can't stand it when the kids are crying. But this one is my own child. I'm like, you have to sit down, because I know she's just crying because she don't want to. But when I'm done with the hairstyle, I know she's going to love it. She's going to be very happy, and she's going to be bluffing and be like, oh, my new hair. But in the time that I am doing the hair, she's not going to be loving it. But it's just like a really quick braid. It's not more than, I think, like 10 braid or something. I have like 3 braid at the front, 2 at the back, and the other side also 3 braid at the front, 2 at the back. So we have like 10 braids. They're very easy braids. They are not really difficult. Very easy protective hairstyle for her, because her hair is very long, and I'm really trying to like grow out her hair to be even more longer than that. As you guys can see, her edges is very full. Whenever I'm braiding her hair, I don't really make the braids are never really that tight. They are very, very loose. I try to braid them very, very, as you guys can see right now, she wasn't feeling it. She's like, yep, she's not feeling it. She don't want to sit down anymore. The turning of the head, she wasn't feeling it, so she was a bit annoying. But yeah, I just have to first let her sit down, and I do it. Sometimes we do the hair with peace. We will not cry. She will not cry. She will just sit down. But like I said to you, she was really busy watching her game, and I have to call her and tell her, come and sit down for me to do your hair, because I thought that was a perfect time. She's on the tablet. She'll be more calm, but she was already upset of me telling her to come and do the hair. So I think that obsession and everything, she's just pulling it. But she wasn't like that really crying, like annoying crying. She was just like, I don't want to sit down. But she cried a little bit, but she sat down and she allowed me to do the hair. And later on, she was very, very happy. Later on, she was just bluffing and telling everybody, oh, my new hair, and and I try my best never to make the braids really tight. The braids are always very, very loose. They're always very, very loose. They're never really, really that tight. It's a very, very loose braid, and I try to make it very, just big braids, like really big braid. I think I did 2 braid at the front as well. 2 braid at the front, 2 at the back, because she was crying. I thought I did 3 braid, but no, I did 2 braid, and she was crying. So I just wanted something very quick, and easy. And I try not to put pressure, but she just wasn't feeling it. And the braids are not that tight, but she just wasn't feeling it. She just didn't want me to touch her hair. She didn't want me to do anything. So I kind of, I just have to, because if I don't, the hair is just going to be like that, and it's very cold outside. The hair is going to break, and I really don't want the hair to break. And she really loves her hair. She always be bluffing and be like, oh, my hair is so long, my hair is so beautiful. But yeah, sometimes this is what happens. Sometimes it's just crazy. She just doesn't want me to do the hair. She don't want me to touch the hair. She don't want me to do anything. So this is one of those days I thought, you know what, I'm just going to share this video with you guys. If you guys are a mom, you have kids, then you understand how things goes. Sometimes she's just not in the mood for any hairstyle. But I'm happy we did it. We did take a break. I did let her take a break, let her do her thing, play a little bit, and then I did come back and finish the hair up, and which she was a little bit calmed down. She wasn't crying anymore. She was a bit okay. But then after the braid, she was like happy. She was happy. She was cool. So yeah, I just want to come and share with you guys a quick protective hairstyle for a child. Yeah, she's 2 years. She's going to be 3 years. So she's still very young, you know. She doesn't like, if you have girls, you guys know, girls, not all the girls likes to do their hair. Like my kids, there are days that they're really happy to do their hair. There are days that like they don't even want me to even touch the hair. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take my oil. I'm going to oil the hair, try to oil the scalp. I try to do this every other day. And I also try to focus more on the edges also as well. I try to do this every other day, and this has really, really helped with her hair growth, and also all the DIY product that I use. I have my rosemary water, which I also use on her head every day. I kind of spray it on her hair every single day actually. And the oil, I oil her hair every other day, and I sprayed rosemary water on her hair every single day. So yeah, this is the finished result, guys. This is it. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook page, AMIFULLEST. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate you all. If you have any question, let me know. Follow me on my Instagram for more pictures, and I will be back with more protective hairstyles. So this protective hairstyle is gonna last for like a week, and then I will take it out, do some deep conditioner treatment, wash it, and then protective style again. That is how I do it. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I will see you all on my next video. Team Fullest. Peace out. Bye. Stay blessed. Peace out.